pretty decent. Wonder how it tastes. Shit, something's burning. Oh no. What's that? What's up guys? So today I'll be teaching you how to cook scrambled egg when you don't have a bowl where you can mix it. So I'll give you a tip on how you can scramble this egg even without a bowl. And yeah, so you'll need of course an egg and whatever seasonings you'll be putting in your egg. In my case, I'll be putting just paminta, pepper, and a little bit of salt. So let's get to it. Guys, in the first part, I advise you to put everything in a spoon, every seasoning, everything except the egg. So I'll be doing just that. I now have the pepper and salt in the spoon. As you can see, guys, preheating the pan. When it's hot, put some oil. Just a little bit of oil, and wait for it to get hot. Okay, so they call this shit. Yeah, the pan is hot already, so let's get to the business. So all you have to do is crack the egg. Yeah, crack it. When it's cracked, oh shit, put it in your mouth. And that's how you cook scrambled egg without a bowl. Okay, so as you can see, my scrambled egg is being cooked here now. I really look forward to how it tastes. Oh shit, something's burning. Oh no, what's that? Yeah. Nope. So far it looks pretty good. So I guess my method's pretty viable. You can do this shit in your homes whenever you don't have bowl. So about the taste, let's see how it tastes. It's good. I love eggs. This is actually pretty good. Tastes good. I like it. I like it. Would 100% do this shit again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned from my tip. It's actually a pretty good tip. You know, you can do this anywhere. You can cook anywhere as long as you have a cooking pan or something. You don't even need a bowl anymore with this method. So cheers. Bye guys.